Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today I have these AVCOO 10s unit pads, and they are the snap kind. So if you have a 10s unit that takes these snap pads, like I do, so that is your snap leads, put that into your 10s unit, and these are pretty awesome. So let's open up a smaller pack. But you get a variety of sizes, and if you use a 10s unit a lot, you know that these basically just kind of stop working after a while. They don't stay as sticky. You know, the stickiness wears off them, but they're pretty neat. So you just basically snap them into place. Boom. And then boom right there. Then we just take that protection off either side. And we'll just give my forearms a little quick 10s drink. So I always like that because you always can see like the hand twitching and moving back and forth. But anyway, so they work great. They work like any other 10s unit pad, and I got that a little bit high, so we'll turn that down a little bit. But anyway, yeah, you can see the pulsating going on in my hand. Get it from the top view. Make my thumb twitch a little bit here. But anyhow, yeah, great set of pads, great set of replacement pads. Definitely keep an extra set on hand, so if you ever need to change them out, they're readily available. But yeah, Brian from Garage Hall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.